Take two. Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Arnott. I thought I'd do a quick little video to show you what we learnt at university last year. And this is a really quick 3-step process to work out the key signature or scale notes that use sharps in the key signature. There is a 3-step process to work out for the key signatures that have flats in it. That'll be in another video. Okay, so on the first slide here, I've got, as a quick side note, you do need to know the order of sharps. Okay, now if you don't know them, don't panic. All right, the order of sharps are F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. Almost got tricked myself. And it's really easy to remember because we've got a little phrase which is Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Or some of you might have heard Father Christmas goes down and enters boldly. Of course, these are the phrases that we were taught back in primary school when I was learning music back in primary school. There we go. So once again, if you don't know the order of sharps, don't panic. We've got those two phrases there. And if you think of one yourself, use that. Because use whatever is familiar to you. Okay, just move on now to step number 1. Okay, so step number 1, it's really, really easy. Write down the order of sharps and put a 0 above the C note. Now, why do we put a 0 above the C note? That's because C major doesn't have any sharps or flats. Okay, pretty simple, pretty easy. That's our starting point. Okay, so we've written down the order of sharps here, and we've put a 0 above the C note. Okay, now step number 2. From left to right, count how many steps from the C note to the note of the key or scale you'd like to determine. So just to make it easy, we'll work on D major. Okay, so we can see our D here. Okay, we're going to work on D major. So we can go 1, 2 steps, easy. All right, doesn't get easier. Now we go to step number 3. Okay, from the order of sharps below, that says here, write down notes left to right beginning with the F, because the order of sharps begins with F, equal to the number of steps discovered in step 2. Okay, so we discovered that it was going to be 2 steps. Okay, now we go to the left-hand side of the order of sharps and we go 1, 2. We have 2 notes here, F and C. Now they will be the key signature for D sharp, and voila, here we go. We now have, D major. There we go. So we now got the key of D major. So from the 3 steps above, we worked out that F sharp and C sharp are the 2 altered notes for the key of D major. Now the notes are, of course, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, and C sharp. How do we know that that's true? Because we've got this little formula, I guess. Here we go. So this is a formula for the major scale. It's tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Okay, I've just done up a little diagram here to try and sort of help you understand the intervals between here. Okay, so there you go. And of course, down the bottom here, this is what it will look like on staff ledger lines, or staff lines. There we go. First video. So hope this helps.